Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 6th, 2023. I hope everybody had a great Monday out there. Hope everybody's staying safe and well, and hope everybody continues to do so as well. If you a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that thing. Get them numbers to climbing. I want to see them things climbing fast here. If y'all can smash that subscribe button, that would be great. And also, I do daily content every day on here, so I hope I can convince y'all one day. Everyone that's viewing the ones that's viewing my videos, I hope y'all get convinced one day. Say, hey, that's a good weatherman right there. I need to subscribe to his channel. Go ahead and do so today. That way you won't have to do it later on. And I want to thank my 81 subscribers I got so far. Thank y'all for supporting my channel. And if all of y'all could share these videos, like these videos, and try to get them out to as many people as possible, that would be great. Okay, in today's video, we're going to talk about the forecast chart for Tuesday and Wednesday across the lower 48. The Storm Prediction Center, the CIPS analog for severe weather probability for the south and southeastern United States, the satellite loop for the lower 48, and we're going to take a look at the watches and warning map. So please stick around through the whole video so you can watch all of my presentations. Okay, well, we're going to start off with Tuesday's forecast here. So we're going to dive on into our local forecast. Alright, we're going to take a look at across the northeastern portion of the United States. We got mixed precipitation along with rain and freezing rain possible, extending from Maine all the way back over to northern Michigan. We have rain showers and a few thunderstorms from Texas all the way to Chicago, and also a portion of Pennsylvania and over toward New York and Boston. We have high pressure still dominate the East Coast from the Virginias down into Florida. Also, we have high pressure dominating the upper plains from Montana to Nebraska to Iowa to Wisconsin and Minnesota. Minnesota. All right, and we got mixed precipitation over New Mexico. Also, we have mixed precipitation falling from Vancouver, Canada, all the way into Oregon. And we have rain showers along coastal locations. All right, now we're going to take a look at Wednesday's forecast. We have showers. We have showers extended across from Texas all the way up into Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, and portion of Pennsylvania. Thunderstorms over southeast Texas, where some may become severe with large hail, damaging winds, and maybe some tornadoes. We have mixed precipitation from Kansas City, extending all the way back over to northern PA, central and northern PA, and also over into New York State, and over into Toronto, Canada, and northern Michigan, and also into Wisconsin with some freezing rain possible in some of these areas as well. All right, we have mixed precipitation over North Dakota, South Dakota, portion of southern Canada. We have snow showers extending from Colorado back to Montana and Idaho. We have mixed precipitation from Vancouver, Canada, all the way down into central and northern Oregon. And also we have rain showers along coastal areas. And the high pressure dominate pretty much the southwestern portion of the United States. High pressure is off the coast of the southeast, protecting much of North Carolina, South Carolina, and Florida from any precipitation. But that will change late Thursday into Friday, where I'm expecting some heavy rain, maybe some severe weather possible across the Carolinas. I'll have more on that in later videos. Alright, Storm Prediction Center time. We're looking at day 2. This is for your Tuesday. We still have that marginal risk over southeast Texas. The cities included are Houston, Texas, Austin, Texas, Corpus Christi, Texas, Pasadena, Texas, and Waco, Texas. And also in the lighter green, we have general thunderstorms, but cannot rule out an isolated severe thunderstorm in the green area as well. Alright, the tornado probability, 2%. Generally in the same areas from Houston, Texas, Austin, Texas, Corpus Christi, Texas, Pasadena, Texas, and Waco, Texas. Now the wind field, 5% in the same vicinities: Houston, Texas, Austin, Texas, Corpus Christi, Texas, Pasadena, Texas, and Waco, Texas. And the hail probability is less than 5% all areas. Alright, let's go to day 3 outlook now. This should show another marginal risk across Louisiana over towards Mississippi and Alabama. A portion of a little sliver of East Texas, and the general thunderstorm is in the lighter green. And like I said, cannot rule out an isolated severe thunderstorm in that region as well. Alright, and the marginal risk area, this includes the following: Memphis, Tennessee, New Orleans, Louisiana, Birmingham, Alabama, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and Montgomery, Alabama. Alrighty, and the probability, 5% in these areas, and your cities remain the same: Memphis, Tennessee, New Orleans, Louisiana, Birmingham, Alabama, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and Montgomery, Alabama. As I look toward day 4, they have not got anything highlighted yet for the southeast, but they do mention something. You know, maybe a few isolated severe thunderstorms across the Carolinas, maybe a little more numerous down in southeast Georgia and northern Florida. So we're just going to have to wait and see what the Storm Prediction Center puts out in later forecasts. Alright, here's our CIPS analog. According to this goes right along good with that marginal risk for severe weather in this vicinity right here. And like I said, I would not be surprised to see maybe a slight risk could be put into a few in that slight risk area over Texas tomorrow, and also for when it heads east over into Louisiana, Arkansas, Alabama, and Mississippi. Okay, here's a look at day 4 analog. Here's that goes right along with the Storm Prediction Center. This is what they see here. And also, we're going to take a look at day 5. And this is what I'm thinking right here. The Storm Prediction Center should go along with what I'm thinking as well with this analog here too. Alright, now we're going to move along to the satellite loop across the lower 48. There goes that storm system that developed off the southeast coast yesterday. That brought a little bit of mixed precipitation across portion of the PD region of North Carolina. Maybe a little bit in portion of upstate. Portion of the upper coast of South Carolina as well. That done moved on off to the northeast. Brought some rain showers. Also made fog develop last night in these areas as well. Should not be no fog concern, but maybe some frost by tomorrow morning. Alright, here's another little storm system showing some little bit of moisture with it. Supposed to head on off to the northeast. There's another little storm system in Canada. We'll lift off to the northeast. There's our next weather maker moving in from the west. That's the one that's going to catch it with the southern stream, and it's going to bring pretty good amount of rainfall and maybe some severe weather from Texas to the Carolinas later this week. Cold temperatures are in store for the late week and into the weekend for much of the East Coast, and also down into the southeastern United States. But you're going to be enjoying some warm weather for Tuesday and Wednesday for much of the East Coast. But then, like I said, it's going to get cold by the weekend, and you will tell a big difference in your air temperature. Okay, and finally, here's a look at our watches and warning maps. Pretty quiet across much of the United States. Few little pockets of winter weather advisory across northern Michigan. Also a portion of Wisconsin and Minnesota. Also over here in New Mexico, and also Colorado, and also up into Washington State. Also, we have a few we got a little portion of a winter storm warning in that vicinity, and also a few little high wind watches and warnings over Montana. Lake wind advisories over portions of New Mexico as well. Alright, well, that wraps up tonight's video. Hope everybody have a good evening. If you like my content, hit that subscribe button. Love to have you. And we will catch you back in the next one. See ya.